Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that can be a little tricky for a lot of students: how to format an essay in MLA style. I know MLA formatting can seem like a lot of rules to remember, but don't worry. I'm going to walk you through every step and make it super simple. Whether it's for your next research paper or an essay for class, you'll have everything you need to make sure your paper looks professional and polished. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your document. Okay, first things first, let's set up your document. Let's open up a blank document. First, we need to adjust the font. Click on the font drop-down menu at the top of your Word document. And select Times New Roman. Set the font size to 12. Now it's time for adjusting line spacing. This is crucial for MLA format. To set it up, go to the Home tab and look for the line spacing quote. Click that button and go to More option, then select the line spacing to double and select size to 2E. Now your text will be double spaced, which is exactly what you need for MLA formatting. Next, now let's set up your margins. Click on the Page Layout tab at the top and then find the Margins button. Select Normal, which gives you a 1-inch margin on all sides of the page. That's it! Your page is now set up with the right font, spacing, and margins for MLA. Step 2. Adding your header. Now, let's do your header, which will include your last name and page number. To insert the header, go to the Insert tab at the top and click on Header. Then click on Insert Page Number, select the third option, which is a simple right-aligned header. Now, type your last name and page number in the right-aligned space. I am writing Smith1, for example. This will automatically appear on every page of your essay. Step 3. Creating the heading. Let's now add the heading. This goes at the top left of your page and includes 4 things: your name, your instructor's name, the course title, the date. Step 4. Inserting the title. Now we'll add the title. It should be centered, not bolded, and not underlined. After your heading, type your title and center it using the alignment button. Step 5. Using the ruler to set indentation. Now let's talk about indenting. In MLA format, each paragraph needs a 1/2-inch indent for the first line. You can use the ruler to do this quickly. To make the indent, drag the upper triangle marker to the 1-inch mark on the ruler. This will set the first line of each paragraph to indent by 1/2 inch. Step 6. Creating a Works Cited page. Alright, now let's tackle the Works Cited page. After the body of your essay, break your page or create a new page. Then type Works Cited at the top and make sure it's centered. Once that's done, hit Enter and start listing your sources alphabetically by the author's last name. Make sure to format it with a hanging indent. And that's it! You've now formatted your essay in MLA style. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.